Today, I'm going to show you how to change the invoice format in QuickBooks Desktop. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and sign into the correct company file. At the top menu, click Lists. Then select Templates. This opens the list of templates available in QuickBooks Desktop. Choose the invoice template you want to customize or create a new invoice template. Once the template is open, you can start changing its appearance. For example, select the section you want to edit and click Change Font. Choose the font, size, and other text settings you want. Then click OK to apply the changes. You can also change the color scheme. Choose the color scheme you want and click Apply Color Scheme. Next, open Layout Designer. This lets you move and adjust different sections of the invoice. You can reposition fields and change the layout until the invoice looks the way you want. You can also turn additional information fields on or off depending on what you want displayed on the invoice. Once you finish customizing the layout, click OK. If you want to rename the template, open Manage Templates. Select the template and change the template name. Then click OK to save your changes. Your customized invoice template will now be available to use in QuickBooks Desktop. And that's how to change the invoice format in QuickBooks Desktop in 2026.